Normally, when you upgrade your database with auto upgrade, it is a two-step process. First, auto upgrade will analyze the database. It is a non-intrusive check that you can run while the database is still open for business. Then, when the downtime window begins, you can then use the deploy mode, which will then reanalyze the database and then run the pre-upgrade fix-ups. Now, auto upgrade will make all those changes to the database that it can do for you. And then afterwards, the database itself can then be upgraded. This is the regular deploy mode. But now, with the new fast deploy mode, it is a three-step process. First, auto upgrade again analyzes the database, but now we run the pre-upgrade fix-ups while the database is still in use. We are now making the changes to the database that are required for the upgrade to succeed. After a little while, then the downtime window begins, and now you only have to upgrade the database. So you can upgrade with less downtime by moving the last analysis and the pre-upgrade fix-ups outside of the maintenance window. But there is a risk that you must accept. From the time that the pre-upgrade fix-ups ends and to the start of the maintenance window, there is a very small risk that new undetected issues are introduced in the database. And at very worst case, one of those new issues might break the database upgrade. So the good thing is that you can upgrade with less downtime, but it is slightly more risky. It is something that you need to decide whether you can accept that risk.